Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today, can you guess where we're going? We're going to Johnson Mountain. We've been talking about it plenty. And today's the day. Today is the day that we're going to Johnson Mountain. So away we go.
Why that little puppy?
Look at the little puppy, people. I don't know if they can see it.
You go for follow though. Watch it.
Okay, this is Wheelerfield, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Wheeler's feet. Yeah, his feet.
People. We came out yesterday and we were going to video, and it was so hot. We've got quite a hot spell going on here in Jamaica, and we just couldn't deal with it, or I couldn't deal with it anyway. Maybe Madge could have. And so we went and got some gas put in the air conditioning. And so it's cooler in the car today. And we also found somebody in Dalby who does air conditioning work that we're going to try out when the air conditioning starts getting warm next time. So it's the road to Johnson Mountain. Road to Johnson Mountain.
That plum tree has on a lot of plums.
Oh yeah?
Those are the plums those little plums that you say is good. Yeah.
This could be kind of a challenging road here. Let's get up past this guy here. Hopefully I don't knock off any of my camera covers going next to the edge like that, but I might have.
The road is very narrow.
It's a very narrow road and very full of holes and seems very busy for a Sunday. Wow, I'm beginning to think I should have had my cameras aimed up higher. But then I couldn't see down low if I did that, so.
Well, you can't have everything.
I'm gonna have to do like Fire and Irie and get a 360 camera.
Oh, it's high up, just like in the mountains, you know?
Yeah, I already feel like I'm in the mountains, people.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't believe when I used to go to school, there were classmates in Johnson Mountain, and they walked to school.
Uh-oh. I needed to retape that. There we go. My little cooling fan for my phone, from my front camera came off. I need to retape it. I've got some of that 3M double-sided tape.
You trouble with it?
No, I didn't, because I don't want it in the car. Because I don't want it to lose its power. Doesn't have any power when it's sitting at home, though.
A vehicle is coming behind you and moving fast.
It is?
Yeah, a vehicle is coming behind you.
I don't see. Oh, I see now. I see it. Well, he's going to have to go slow because I'm enjoying the views. I'm not worried about him right now. He'll have plenty of spots up here he can pass. Like when I pull over right here.
See a hole down there. That's why they put that thing there.
Mm-hmm.
So pull over and let
him pass. So he can pass right now. Wow.
So up here is supposed to be Johnson Mountain. Right up there, yeah.
What a view. What a view, people.
It's just like Rollins Field.
It really, well, actually more of a view than Rollins Field. I don't know if it's as high as Rollins Field yet, but we may get as high. We'll see. And I don't know that this little division right here is.
Yeah, I think this is
Johnson Mountain.
I think it's Johnson Mountain, though.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
There's a Johnson Mountain school that is kind of at the end of the road when we finally get to the end of the road. I don't know how long this road goes. We'll just keep going till we get where we're going.
And you know, it could have some lanes turn off and so on, yeah.
I don't know.
Turn off road. I don't think it's just one straight road.
I don't see any. Well, I'm going to have to turn on my map here in a little bit then, aren't I?
So, where are we looking? We're looking. I don't even know where we're looking.
Boy, I can't believe the traffic up here, though.
You know, I mean, when I was going to school, there was people hardly have vehicles. You know, you must know why. Something coming?
Yeah.
Huh.
I can't believe the traffic up here.
Huh.
This is a Sunday, so there should be less traffic. I can't believe what it must be like
so you just imagine, yeah?
Huh, on this road?
I've changed so much because when I was going to school, the children up here, I think they had to walk to school.
Wow.
When I can remember when they came to school, they were so sweaty.
I bet.
Yeah.
It's a long way to walk.
Sweat, but I didn't know
they had to walk all the way from here.
Yeah. I don't know how far up here they live.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, and it seems very fruitful.
Yes.
All sort of fruits and pimentos.
Well, this is exciting. Our first time. I wish I could do the sightseeing like you can, though. Somebody on one of the Facebook groups for travelers to Jamaica said something about renting a car or getting a driver. And I commented that, it's cheaper to rent a car. But one of the people in your group is not going to be able to see the beauty along the road. Because when you drive in Jamaica, you have to give 100% attention and focus.
Yeah, you have to.
Yes, because it's like driving an obstacle course between livestock, potholes, and taxi men. Yeah. It's like driving an obstacle course. Well, it's not only taxi men. It's any, coasters, trucks, other vehicles.
Yeah, you have to pay attention on the road.
You really have to pay attention. Now here...
No, but nowhere at all you can be driving. If you are in foreign too, you have to pay attention on the road. You can't be...
But not like here. You know how like when we... Well, remember when we went to Kansas? Get out on the interstate, in foreign, and just go and go and go.
Yeah.
For miles, you don't even see anybody.
You don't see any, yeah.
And the road, you don't have to worry about potholes on the highway like that. Or... Suddenly having,
deer because it's
but you don't have to. It's not the same as here. You can't even compare the two.
That's true.
Yeah.
Even when we went to Julesburg.
Yeah. There's a little road up there, but I don't know how far it goes.
And the roads are wide,
They're very wide, and you don't have to get over for the cars that you meet.
No, they just pass and go on.
No.
And they have passing lanes.
Yes. Now you maybe if you went to the Colorado Rockies and went up where in the mountain, there might be some single back tracks.
Yeah, because
that are more like this.
Yeah,
but you're not going to have. But for the most part, it's not like Jamaica.
It's true. It's true.
The best roads in Jamaica are some of the worst roads
in America.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's true.
But this is a very unique beauty here. That's why a lot of times we'll do a whole video, won't even mention the roads. And the only reason I brought it up was because of what I had said to somebody who was wondering about driving here. And plus, you drive on the other side of the road compared to America. Yeah. And so if you're from England or somewhere in Europe, that drives, not everywhere in Europe drives the same as England. Some places drive the other way. But if you're in a place that drives the same as as England or Jamaica, then you have a better chance of driving here.
So maybe down the bottom there is not Johnson Mountain.
Maybe those first were still part of Wheeler Field.
Yeah, maybe so. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty. Look at this, people. People.
This is like when we're going up in the Blue Mountain.
Yeah.
Rollins
Field. It's similar. It's similar because we're, not. I mean, if you were to go, maybe 10 miles, not even maybe 10 miles east of here, you'd find Rollins Field.
Yeah.
And that was a wonderful drive. The difference here is you can't drive over into Portland, I don't think, here. Or maybe you can.
I don't know. Maybe you can.
Yeah. May not even be on the map. Oh, look at that.
Somebody's house.
Oh, wow.
Somebody's house down there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be so isolated,
Must be a spring or something here. Because somebody's...
Yeah, it's a spring.
Oh, yeah, it's a spring, see? Or a water pipe that's running open. Ooh, look at this view here, people.
We're looking over Allen Bay. I don't know where we're looking.
You can see, you can see the Caribbean Sea beyond the first row of hills there.
So...
Now that's Plantain River Garden Valley.
I don't know.
Yeah?
See, I see a house. I don't know if... because I don't see...
I can see what looks like... Oh, you can see the tower from the...
Lighthouse?
No, from the tower from the sugar mill. From the Duckins Field sugar factory.
Also, that's where we're looking.
Yeah, that's... See? So you see it back there? You see it down there? Way over there. See the tower?
Oh, okay, yes.
You see it?
Yes, but it's far.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Okay, there are a lot of parentos. Look, a lot of parentos are up there too.
Mm-hmm.
It's so much lonely road. Although when the children come into school, they walk in groups, Something coming?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it? I know you're back now.
I am.
Where is it? At the back, or?
He's up there. I don't know. Maybe he saw me and he's waiting on me.
Oh.
I bet he saw me and is waiting on me.
No, but you see? Yes.
Oh, no, he's not even in the vehicle. He's not even in the vehicle.
Okay.
That's the vehicle. I'd have waited a long time for that vehicle to come down. There's nobody in it.
I'm gone down the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a farmer because some cassava and stuff.
I might have to break down and pull out my map here in a minute, people. I really don't know where I'm at or where I'm going. Look at the fruit trees up in here, the breadfruit.
Yeah.
On this whole slope is pure breadfruit, sweetie.
So, Johnson Mountain is so remote.
Yes.
I can't believe. It's, so the children coming to school, they would walk in groups, Oh. Huh. He was coming fast.
He was coming very fast.
But it's not easy. Look at this little narrow road.
Well, he got a little smooth spot here. Plus, he's going downhill. When you go downhill, your speed can get away from you.
Yeah. I don't even realize.
Yeah. And he knows where every bumping hole is in the road, so he he can make good time. I have to go slow because I have to decipher where I'm going to drive as I go.
Johnson, it's so isolated. So maybe they should have like maybe their own little supermarkets and little shops, and
They might.
they need to have everything up here for themselves.
Well,
Yeah.
we'll soon
so
see.
remote, man.
We'll soon see what we have.
Once the road was good. Tearing up.
Oh, look at this little piece here.
See that?
It's just like a storybook.
Yeah.
You know, if you were reading a story about some, I don't know.
Looking through the.
Yeah.
Looking through the looking.
Some sort of fairy tale. Look at the valley. Look at how steep it is right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
If a vehicle go over there.
Oh, you'd never know it. You'd never
Just
know
like
it.
Rollingsfield or up in Bloom.
I don't know. I think it might be steeper here.
Whoa, look here.
Look how it's steep here.
No, sir. No, this is so far away. It looks like it's another.
But you can
where
see.
you're looking.
But look, you can see the ocean on the other side.
Yeah, I see the ocean.
Of the hills.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, we've reached something here. We've reached something here.
But maybe here is Johnson.
Maybe this is the town.
This must be Johnson.
Mm-hmm.
What's the code of this one today?
Wow. This big trucks.
This person have a lot of trucks. Wow. Oh, this is a nice house.
Yes. Wow. Wow. That's a very nice home. I want that house. I better learn to drive truck like that,
It seems
man.
like it's a big property because it's
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You can imagine.
When it rains hard, how the water must rush down there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So, where are we looking? My ears is high. My ears top.
We're really getting up high.
Mm-hmm.
When we look up at the Blue Mountains and we see the parts that are nearly in the clouds,
Yeah.
we're not far from there. Look at this, somebody tried to build a house right there
Yeah.
and had to stop, but that's really something.
That a thing could have happened, you know.
And good at,
You run broke, you die.
yeah. Oh boy.
Oh, these places are so deep.
Look at over there. You can see somebody's roof over there across the ravine.
Yes, I see.
I probably should have tried to put your microphone on the other side of you, since I can't put it in the middle. Women clothes are a problem. Mine, I can always just put it right there because I always just wear a t-shirt type of a thing, you know. But you?
But you don't think it's okay up here? So
I think it'll be fine. It's going to have to be fine because that's where I put it, and I'm not going to move it. So.
What?
Oh boy.
Oh no. Gee.
Woo!
Oh, damn. Whoa.
Look at this. Look at the view, people. Hopefully the cameras are picking everything up really nice. I put the shades on so I don't get so much ultraviolet in the lens. Pretty flowers there.
This is a Johnson Mountain dog.
Exactly what does the Johnson Mountain dog look like?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this. The steepness is more than going up. Some of it is like rolling field.
In some ways.
Yeah.
In some ways.
And like going up the Blue Mountain.
Yeah. Going up past Newcastle.
Yeah. But not as steep as most of this place here looks so steep.
It's very
Steeper,
steep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I almost thought about showing a picture.
The gullies are so deep.
When we were first coming into Rowlandsfield,
Yeah.
actually we came in from Chiswick, and then we started the video, we were coming from the Bath direction, but we did that just so everybody could see the sign. But when we were coming in the other way, you could look up and see the mountains. I thought, wow, I wonder if that's where we're going to be. I should take a picture of that. Well, that's where we're at, people. I didn't take a picture of it. I should have.
You say there is a school, and it's a primary school at the end.
At the end.
Oh.
And I'm gonna have to get out the map to make sure if we see a crossroads or anything, we'll have to stop and look at the map. But right now I'm just, I used to really watch the map close and this and that, and people like to know what the name of the road we're on. Well, it's just the Johnson Mountain Road, and we're look, you can even see the waves breaking over there. We're so high.
That's it.
We're so high.
Yeah. So we are looking like at the shore.
Clear on the other side of the hills that run along on the other side of the Plantain River Valley. Oh, look at that. Coming out of that little point there. And back up here.
But those mangoes seem like they are those little long mangoes.
What kind of those? What do you call them when they're long, skinny like that?
I'm not sure what they call them. But there are some little mangoes and the seeds are flat. And they are always nice, no string. They're just smooth texture.
Well, we got some bolt-tone mangoes the other day. Man came down the road and sold us some bolt-tone mangoes. Oh, they're so sweet. Madge is going to make a little homemade wine with them. They're so sweet. Make good wine, good flavorful. Now, the ones you bought to go with them to make so you can make more wine, were those also bolt-tone or were they some other kind?
Oh, it's the same.
They were the same, the bolt-tone. They're really pretty, people. When you see a picture of a mango, this is what they look like. They're like red, green, and yellow, just so beautiful. Such beautiful, beautiful colors, and so bright and shiny. And perfectly shaped. They're just really nice. Wow, that's a nice sized community up here, sweetie. Look at this. Just keeps going and going and going. I haven't seen any shops, so to speak of.
I don't know that it's a big area, but the houses are far away from each other.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Like I said, it's just like driving through a storybook. It really is. It really is. Uh-oh, there. Ooh.
You might not go there going.
I know. You think I don't know there's a goalie there? I think that was more of a nervous reminder than it was a true reminder, because surely you must know I knew. I can't imagine if this was on a busy weekday.
Because it is so isolated.
Yeah, I can't
A lot
believe.
of the people maybe nowadays have vehicle
Well,
to take them.
you know, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Because if you don't have vehicle up here,
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe there's less traffic during the week and Sundays when people get out with their own cars.
Mhm.
I don't know. I don't know.
There's a house down there, which you can't
Wow.
you only glimpse the top of it.
I'm wanting to burp suddenly.
See? You can't even houses down there, you can see some light pole. Oh, Johnson Mountain chickens.
Oh, yeah. Johnson Mountain chickens, Johnson Mountain mangoes.
But at least many of the places, although it's a big area, but some places like you wouldn't make your house there because it's such a deep gully. You know?
So beautiful up here.
Yeah.
It's breathtaking.
Yeah.
You know, when you look up at the mountains, from the shores and from the plains and the low parts, and you look up in these mountains in Jamaica, and you're kind of marvel a little bit about how tall they go up and how fast. And you don't think in terms of people living up there, because it's just, it just looks so sheer, the way it goes up so fast. You don't imagine, but there's people living there, a lot of people.
Yeah. Yeah. These people been living here from way back.
I bet it gets nice and cool at night up here too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Up here is lush,
Mm-hmm. Huh. And that road goes on up there.
Yeah. So
But this is the main road.
Yeah,
That's
this
not
is the main road. Yeah.
Yeah.
But people live up here.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
But I'm going down here now.
Mm-hmm. And then there's quite a few places out here that we're going to go to. And I think that's where the school must be. Because at some point, it's going to be the end of the road.
Yeah.
But we don't know. They're school children. I mean, it's not school day, So I guess I don't know that they're school children.
School age children.
School age, that's what I was trying to say. Nope, got some steel over here you better watch out for. Don't want to run that through one of my tires. Huh? Mm-mm-mm.
No, son. Yes, I like the looks of the place, but I would not want to live up here still.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay, here's the Johnson Mountain School.
Ah. So the school is at the end of the road?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, see?
Ah. Oh, the school, yeah, this flat and nice. And
Mm-hmm, yeah. Well, what a drive, huh? Here, let me look at the time here on the. Okay. We've been filming, that's about 30 minutes. So we'll just keep going.
it's just about 30 minutes?
Huh?
30 minutes. Okay.
Say what?
30 minutes, about 30 minutes, you said?
Mm-hmm. It says 35, so we did a little bit of driving before I started our video. So, you know, I shouldn't say a little bit. You know, after I sync the cameras, there's a couple minutes that I just cut out because it's just driving to where we're going to start the video. So, where I went up and turned around and got everything started.
It's a different view. I'm gonna get back going.
You're going to get a way different view.
You're gonna get my
I'm going to find out how close I was driving to the edge now. Yeah. But, you know, the views always look different going the other way.
Yeah,
so
yeah, they look different.
They already seem different to me.
Yeah.
And so they may be more spectacular. So stay with us, people. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come on our Johnson Mountain journey. Yeah, I knew there was some sort of little crossroads right at the very end that I had to turn, but it was easy to see where to turn, you know.
Yeah.
I'll be putting it in low now. Probably go a little bit faster because I don't want to ride the brake so much, but I'll be putting it in low. Oh, these little crab claw flowers. You see those there?
I was looking. I think these, I don't know, they're arrowroot, that kind of bush. Arrowroot.
Arrowroot bush?
Make arrowroot starch.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's a food underneath it. Look like.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Is that Bowden Bay?
It could be.
That's Bowden
That
Bay.
could be, yeah.
Yeah. See,
Yes,
because
yes, it looked like when we went over Leetal, over that place.
the fort,
Yeah,
the place called Fort,
it looked like
is to the
looking
right
over
of that
there,
bay,
yeah. Mhm.
and to the left is the mountain that you go by, like Old Pira.
Old Pier. Yeah,
and
it looked like Old Pier.
Old Pira out on the left point, on the left side of that bay.
Mhm.
And on the right side of that bay is Fort. So
Yeah.
Fort over there, isn't it Fort?
Yeah, Fort, yeah. Where they are making that house on that little peninsula. There are two houses. That part that goes out there.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Jamaica.
Where's Port Mort at? It's in kind of in the middle of it.
I don't think we see Port Marin.
It's okay. I guess
Maybe some mountain like this.
maybe somebody will look at what we just saw and correct us. Hopefully the cameras caught it well. See, that's something we neither one of us noticed going up here.
No.
See, because it's just different angles.
So look at the mountain in front of us.
Look how tall it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really high.
Yeah.
So we're not near to the top of the mountain.
No. People don't live up there. That is too.
Yeah, we're not even near the top.
We're just around the base of the mountain.
Yeah, Look at the water coming down there. Saw the reflection of the water off those rocks there. Wow. This is just spectacular, sweetie.
And they don't even have any light on the road up there.
Any what?
Light.
Any light?
At like at night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
No.
so you can imagine how it's dark at night.
Just the moonlight.
That is one when it's moonshine.
I know.
But you have some people who still walk through the dark. Yeah. I'm living here, I will come out at night.
Wow. Well, Clarity kept saying we should come up to Johnson Mountain. And now I see why.
You watch his vlog with Johnson Mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah, that vlog with you?
Yeah, I think he did one up here. I think Big Super might have done one up here too.
Gongo peas on the roadside and a lot of papayas
Uh-huh.
on the roadside. We pass some. Even like cocoa. These are the cocoa that you can eat.
And you eat
Yeah,
the yam style.
Yeah. A lot of cocoa right here, son. These are the scratch one. They use, I think, the food that go on that to make hog feeding, like the pig, boil it for pigs. So
Oh, that's a big ravine there.
it looks so nice.
Yeah, I just want to sit and look,
Look so nice.
Mangoes on the road.
Yeah, because it's tree.
Mm-hmm. What a lovely view. Just amazing. See in front of us? Down through there. I don't know what town that is.
I don't know where it is either. I don't know where exactly. Look. Here's a road. It goes in
I
a
can
road.
see a river valley
Oh,
down
there.
there.
Is a river or a road?
A river. River.
A river.
And there's the road going to.
Island Bay?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we are looking at Ducken Seal too.
Yeah. No, that road there goes to Hordley Crossing. That's the bathroom, I think. I don't know.
Well,
I need to compare the views here to a satellite view, and
yeah.
you know.
Yeah, because I don't know direct where we're looking. We could be looking down at Ducken Seal, or the people who live up here.
Oh gosh,
He
man.
just flash around the corner. So.
Why is he gonna be driving so crazy up here? He thinks he's the only man on the road? That's what troubles me. This is what troubles me about Jamaican driving. That's why people, if you want to rent a car in Jamaica to come do your trip, that's fine. But you just need to know. It's the kind of thing you got to deal with. People just drive like this, and they don't think anything about it, and
because I didn't even hear anything. I just
no, he's not blowing or nothing.
Oh, but at least this one was blowing.
At least when this one was blowing.
The man frightened me.
Yeah.
They don't care for their lives, So
It's true.
no, they don't care for their life. So our lives don't matter to them.
Yeah.
This thing need to cut it up.
They already cut it part way because it was already blocking the whole road.
Yeah,
They cut it off.
But they need to cut up.
They need to cut more of it off there, don't they?
Look at that jackfruit tree over there.
Oh yes, I see it.
It's tall and it has jackfruit. Yeah.
Oh, somebody lives there.
So,
Whoa, look at him.
It's racing to reach the sun. That's why it gets so tall. And that pimento tree there just get tall.
Right there.
Yeah, this white. Yeah,
The white bark.
Yeah. The pimento and the guava, the wood is, if you look on it, it's the same. It have a thin bark. And like when it reaches certain age, you just see it kind of strip. Strips, yeah. If you look at the guava, it's the same thing. And it's this, and the strength of the pimento maybe is the same with the guava. It's very strong. You don't get it to break so easy. It more will bend.
Oh, it'll bend but won't break.
So So you see a small guava or pimento, you can stand on it and it's not breaking, it just bend.
See the river valley back here? See the river? See it? See the river?
How was river? I thought it was road. And, and the water is dirty too.
There's hardly any water in it. Hardly any water.
Yes. So it's maybe some mall or sand I'm
seeing. Yeah.
Oh, well, maybe it's the same Plantain Garden River.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Yes,
that's what I think.
Yeah.
That'd be my guess.
Yes.
I don't know what other river it could possibly be.
No. So you know when rains fall, how big that gets.
Mm-hmm. So that over there must be Winchester. That one we're seeing over there must be Winchester.
Oh, Winchester. Wheelers Field is where we came.
Mm-hmm.
from.
Yeah.
So you're saying it's Winchester?
I think that's Winchester we're seeing there.
I'm not sure.
I'm not 100% sure either.
Too sure.
We'll probably have plenty of people jump on our comments
Yeah.
and let us know.
Yeah, Caracas.
Because people from around, people from over here, people who used to live up here,
Yeah, they know.
and they're going to watch this video
Yes.
and really enjoy the views, and they're going to say, oh yeah, you can see such and such and this and that, and they're going to know all the different names of all the places that we don't even know about.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're going to, so we'll have some nice comments, so people be sure, and if you know these things, we want to hear from you. That's for sure. That's for sure.
This place, it just slopes go down the road here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Oh, that's where they do their car wash.
Mm-hmm. This man's even got a hose for it.
Look at Papa ramping on the tree.
Mm-hmm. That's the place that has that nice gate there.
Oh yes, some houses there, but it's in.
You can't even see it.
Oh, this chicken. Our house up there. There's a
Yeah,
house up there.
yeah. That's what I wondered. I thought there was a path there,
Mm-hmm.
so it made me wonder.
Uh-oh. The house is either up a hill or down a gully.
Well, it's all it can be.
Yeah.
That's all it can be around here.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I took a very good path here. I'd be liable to get a sidewall puncture. Although I'm not going that fast, so it had to be pretty sharp to do any damage at these lower speeds. See, and Duckenfield is there.
Maybe over here is old Golden Grove.
I guess that's the tower for that we're seeing over there, the water, the sugar factory tower.
Maybe over here so it's Golden Grove where like people like
Could
cleaning
be.
out to plant.
Could be.
Yeah.
Woo! See, I even have, oh, I don't have it in low anymore. I was wondering why I was coasting so fast. Took it out of low for some reason. Oh, when I backed up back there to get a better look. We should have brought that banana wine, that homemade banana wine, to give a bottle to the Irie Life lady. We might see her today if we drive by there. Going to, I don't know where we're going next, I guess. I don't know where we're going next. Do you?
If you don't know, what should I say? If you don't know, what... Because I'm surprised.
I had Johnson.
I'm surprised I hear you're talking about the Irie Life lady.
Irie Life lady?
Yeah. I'm surprised I hear you mention her name.
Yeah, because if we went to Port Morant to do some filming today, later, I don't know. Wow, it's a big tree there. Look at it.
It's a guango tree.
A guanga?
Guango.
Guango?
Guango.
It's huge.
It's very prevalent all around the place, and it's like a shade tree. Even in Kingston, like you have some place where, like business place and so on, like they would have guango tree there because it's like a shade. It just spread off. Yeah. And even in Chiswick, those big trees that even the ones that we paid somebody to cut, they were guango tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, look at the breadfruit there too, right there. See?
Yeah, breadfruit is all over the place.
Oh, that over there is not the tower. The tower's over there. See the tower straight in front of us? That's some sort of a communications tower I was seeing.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, those are communications towers. Okay. So I was looking at the wrong landmarks when I thought I knew what I was talking about. But there was this place or that place. I was looking at the wrong landmarks. We're up so high that I got out of whack on what I was looking at. These little houses, the houses that are just here in a little bit that we're going to pass, we're not quite to Wheeler's Field yet. I wonder if that's still part of Wheeler's Field or if they have their own district name. We don't even know the name.
No, I was saying I don't think it's Johnson Mountain because when I look at the distance,
no, because
you have to go.
You got to go a long way to get to Johnson Mountain.
So maybe it's still.
Yes.
It's still on Wheeler's.
Like this here.
Yeah,
this here.
It's still Wheeler's.
Still considered part of Wheeler's Field.
Yeah.
See the man standing in there eating on a mango? Yeah, like these houses here. This is Wheeler's Field.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's in Wheeler's Field. You have to go out. Definitely with us. Yeah, I don't even have to ask.
Okay. Well, what a journey. So, let's go ahead and wrap it up, sweetie.
Mm-hmm.
So, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe, dear people, to Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Thanks so much for joining us. Later and
Amen.
amen. Okay. What a something, what a something.